Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are about to get into these poly gel nails. These are the ones that I did right here. And yeah, let's get started. So starting off, I had already primed my nails, so I just got straight into the addition of the poly gel. I'm just using some alcohol as my slick solution to get it, molded into these molds. And I'm just going to do each finger one by one and cross my fingers that it actually doesn't slip too much. I generally do not use, molds at all with polygel just because it doesn't work for me. But I thought I'd try. And I will say at the very end, it wasn't that bad, but you'll see, you'll see. If you're still watching, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that like button, leave some comments. If there's better ways to do this, please give me some tips. And yeah, show your girl some love. I ended up trying to file off like that separation between like the part that had the mold on the top and the part that's like closer to my cuticle. And then I ended up cutting them down a little bit shorter so that I can get that square look and get that free, weird looking edge off. I ended up doing a lot of filing. I'm not showing all the video of it, but I did do a lot of filing. And then after, I added a layer of top coat to all of the nails to get it like looking smooth and shiny. And then, I'm not gonna lie, they were just plain basic pink nails at this point. And I was like, what can I do to make them look cuter? So I thought I'd add some, a little bedazzle to the nails. So these are the final nails. I think they're adorable. Let me know what you think in the comments. And you know what? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, guys. And I will catch y'all